much because, again, concrete came up with it when it did. So, not going to get it, which I'm not going to get it perfect. There's just no way. I should redo the whole floor. I'm not doing that. And of course, this is nice and shiny, and the rest of it's dull. So, but it's about all I can do. So, that's totally up to you if you want to redo your whole floor. I'll go over here. Hey, Mama. Hey, baby. Come say hello. Oh, you're pretty. Yes, it's Mama's Day. Yes, it is. It's Mother's Day. You're looking pretty. Oh, she's pretty, isn't she? We do it, baby.
Thank you.
Aren't you gorgeous?
And thank you, Lexi.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. A good girl. You're beautiful. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. Yes, you stay out of the garden. Tell Mama's garden, even though the fence was down. Kids, let's go. Let's go. Go, Mom. Well, Mama.
Little bit.
Little bit, Mama. Come on, get in here. You stay in here for a little while. Stay clean. So what do you want? What do you want? Oh, whoa.
You want to go out? I'll put your leash on you and you go out in the front and walk.
Go out, Mama. I'll walk you around. All right. No, there we go.
Come here.
You tell me.
Come here. A little bit,
Come
come. A little bit.
Bit of glue down here, but
Come
I
here.
recommend using
Come here.
glue gun on it. That'll
Good girl.
clean it up. Get
Good
the
girl.
excess glue off the top. So the glue gun. I'll wipe all that up in a while. There we go. It looks good. And then a little taint difference because the other floor is 8 years older. I think the other.
When did we do it?
I don't know. Not too long after we're in here, I don't think.
Somewhere under it, it's signed.
Signed? Oh, yeah. Yeah, when we put the concrete down, we wrote our names on it. I think they were over here.
It's under the microwave part.
Yeah. When we put the concrete,
I got a picture of it somewhere in my office.
the self-leveling concrete. So, but of course it's had a lot of wear and tear on it over the years. So, all right, so there we go. Here's the one I had to take out completely, and then I just cleaned it up real good and just used the self adhesive on the back of the on the back side of the tile itself. This one here, I used the primer. Took forever to dry. And then I used the double adhesive spray on all the other pieces. Held it down. And this one here, I didn't have to take this out at all. I just used the self adhesive spray after I cleaned underneath them real good. And once that adhesive dries permanently, again it will be permanently. This is a wet spot during the winter because of the snow tracking in and out. So I'm surprised that is in a good shape as it actually is in, because we do a lot of walking on it. But we make sure we got a mat. Mat gets wet underneath and holds the ring. So, all right, I'm gonna close this evolution and wait till the next next pieces decide they want to come up. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. I guess the bottom line on this is not going to get it perfect because, again, I used self-leveling cement and that was on the original linoleum, because they glued that linoleum down, and there was no way that was coming off that plywood. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And you'll catch me on the next Around the House. I want to wish my mother a happy Mother's Day. It is May 2018. And all those other mothers out there that are subscribed to my channel as well. Thanks again, and have a great day.